Today I'm going to be making a very simple dairy-free frosting recipe. In my bowl I have 4 cups of sifted icing sugar. Icing sugar is also called confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. So 4 cups of sugar in my bowl. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of vegetable shortening. I'm going to get that in there. Okay, there we have it. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water to start. And we'll adjust it as we need. Instead of using water, you can also use almond milk or any other type of non-dairy liquid that you like. I'm going to grab my mixer, speed number 1, and I'm just going to start slowly incorporating this. And then to change up the flavor, you can add in some almond extract or vanilla extract, which I'm going to do in a minute. And whenever you're making a frosting, always add in less liquid at the beginning so that you can compensate a little bit later during your recipe. You don't want to add too much liquid at the beginning. So that looks good, and now I realize, yes, we need to have a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to add in another tablespoon of water. I'm going to mix that in. And right away you can see that this is starting to cream very quickly here. And now I'm going to add in my almond extract. So today I'm going to be using a little bit of pure almond extract, so I'm just going to measure out 1 teaspoon of that and we're going to add that in. So we'll add that in now. And then we will mix all of this up. And then you can turn your mixer up and really incorporate a lot of air into your frosting. And now we'll check this out. Grab a couple of spoons and look at how nice and fluffy this is. Dairy-free frosting. And this is almond. You can add in any flavoring that you like. You could have added in vanilla. You know, if it's at Christmas time, you could add a little bit of peppermint in there as well, which would be really nice. For the last bit of my video, I've taken a little bit of our dairy-free frosting. I'm going to grab some gel food color, and I'm just going to add a little bit. And I'm just going to mix that in. You can see just that little bit of food coloring really goes a long way. Just get that mixed in. I do get a lot of questions. On how to add food coloring, and that's how you do it. It is as simple as that. So that's it for today's really fast video. My dairy-free almond frosting with blue food coloring. That's it, and I'll see you next time.